Okay, so we're at the turnout gear extractor, the washing machine. I've already washed the liners, hood, suspender straps, and my neck and ear protectors off the helmet. So I'm gonna go over how to set up the machine. So we're gonna wash the outer liners, or not the outer liners, but the shells for the jacket and trouser. So power. Program 1, that's for structural turnout gear. There's a sheet on here. You can use the machine for other types of clothing. But PR1 is what you use for washing your structural gear. Power switch, okay, PR1. If I wanted to change to a different category, I just use my arrow button to go to another one. So I'm going to go back to 1. I'm going to select start. I'm going to select the load size. For one set of gear, just take it down to just 2 lights showing. I'm going to hit start, and then I'm going to put the detergent in the machine. Okay, so 1 ounce. This is 1 ounce of our turnout gear, this laundry solutions. 2 ounces per 40 pounds. I'm going to downsize this a little bit. So these 2 slots are for dry laundry detergent. These 2 are for liquid. There's 2 wash cycles in this. So I'm going to take this 1 ounce and put half of it there and half of it there. So half an ounce for each wash cycle. And to make sure this is going to mix right, I'm going to fill the rest of these troughs up with water. And then I'm going to close the lid. If you just put the soap in there and don't put water in it, when it goes to siphon that out of there, it uses water and it's going to foam up. And not all the soap will go in the machine. So that's it. We're going to let it run its cycle. This means it's the T62 means it's got 62 minutes to run that cycle, that program. Once this gear is done, why don't you follow me? I'll show you how to use this dryer real quick. So this gear, don't dry the gear in the sun. Don't put it in a household dryer. All we got to do is hang the gear up on this dryer, and then there's buttons here, 2 hours all the way to 12 hours. Turn it on. So use one of these to hang your liners up. Use another one to put your outer shells on. And then these are for the gloves. Just slide the gloves, the opening of the gloves onto this, and then open it up. Notice if you're not using something, close it off, the valves. Pretty easy.